In our project, we aim to answer the question, where is the safest place for an instructor to stand in 3 USMA classrooms? In the COVID environment, we wanted to analyze infectious aerosol dispersion in order to most safely return to in-person classes. 6 desks were arranged to mimic the USMA classroom setup, with potentially infectious students breathing continuously. Monitors were located on desks and at the periphery of the classroom, and these were used to find the average steady-state concentration of CO2, which was our proxy for COVID dispersion.
Because of trends seen throughout 3 classrooms, our overall recommendation is to stand on the side opposite the return for the safest place for an instructor. The top left graphic shows an example classroom where the return is in the back right of the classroom. The safest places to stand from this experiment were in the front left and back left of the classroom, denoted by a green rhombus. In the top right image, the return is in the front right of the classroom, and the safest places to stand were in the front left and back left. In the bottom image, a similar classroom configuration was tested, and the safest places to stand were in the front and back left.
With content modeling, we can simulate the contaminant spread in a classroom environment. Although we have 21 monitors, content provides further insight into how the contaminant moves around each specific classroom. Additionally, we can manipulate variables that are limited by our experimental classrooms, such as initial concentration, supply, and return.
Graphing normalized concentration of CO2 versus the distance from the air return in each classroom resulted in a general negative linear trend.
In conclusion, this experiment showed a consistent trend that the safest place for an instructor to stand in the classroom was on the side opposite the return. We hope that these results are valuable for educators who are trying to conduct in-person classes, and this experiment will set a baseline for future studies.